folks who've been waiting to play Pokémon Champions on an iOS or Android device, good news, because you can do that now pretty soon. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to place for the latest tech news. The latest Pokémon battle game is coming to mobile on June 17th. The game was actually dropped on Nintendo Switch and Switch 2 back in April. Mobile gamers had to wait their sweet time to finally get their hands on this. Now, if you've already been playing Pokémon Champions on a Nintendo console, you can easily continue where you left off on iOS and Android. After you link the mobile version of the game to the same Nintendo account, your saved data will carry over seamlessly as there's full support for cross-platform play as well. Pokémon Champions is a battle game in the vein of Pokémon Stadium. You can use Pokémon Home to transfer in Pokémon you've captured in previous games and Pokémon Go. There's the option to recruit Pokémon and Pokémon Champions as well, along with ranked battles. There's a casual mode as well, and private lobbies and online competitions. You'll earn victory points that you can use to boost the stats of your Pokémon, switch up their movesets, and unlock cosmetic items, among other things. And then there's something more. All players who log into Pokémon Champions between June 16th and September 1st will be able to claim Raichu for free. They'll also be able to snag 2 Mega Stones that'll allow Raichu to Mega Evolve into the Mega Raichu Y or Mega Raichu X. So, mark your calendars right now. Pokémon fans are in for a treat. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.